Hi viewers, today we're going to look at the Excel VBA ABS absolute value function in Excel 2013. First of all, I need to record a macro in order to write my code. So I'm going to click on the record macro button within the macro section of the View tab in Excel 2013. So I'm going to click on that, and in there I'm going to call it ABS for absolute value underscore FX for function. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to stop that from running, and then I'm going to go into the Visual Basic Editor, and I'm going to delete the comment stuff and add in my code. I'll get rid of the end sub duplicate and also the sub routine duplicate, and there's my code. So you can see normally what I do is before each line of code I enter the on error resume next function, and then you can see the code underneath. So here it says active cell.formula R1C1 equals, which means in the current activated cell enter the following formula, or and you can see here my formula is ABS absolute value, and it's selecting range A1 and pasting the formula into, or the result of the formula into the active cell. So if I close this, you can see in cell A1, which is range same as range A1, you can see the value of 2.233. So what ABS will do would give me the actual the absolute value for that. So if I click on the drop down in the macro section of the View tab and click on View Macros and click on Run, you can see it's giving me the absolute value for cell A1, which is 21.233. So if I just check the format there of the cell, it's general. If I change that to a number of 2 decimal places and do that, then if I delete this bit here and run that again, you can see it's still giving me the absolute value of 21.233, because that's the absolute definitive value for it. And that's the ABS function in Excel VBA 2013.